What is tattva? How can you know about this thing in tattva? Krishna is known as Gopi Vasana Hara. Isn't it? He stole the garments of gopis. Gopi Vasana Hara. The people, those who don't know about this tattva, they say, what is that? If you say that Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhagavan, why was he doing such nonsense? So abominable act. Why was he stealing the garments of gopis? And why was he so anxious to see the naked beauty of the gopis? Is he Bhagavan? Is Bhagavan's business? So we will do like that. Then we will become Bhagavan. Then, can you answer them? Nobody? Those rascals? You can't answer them. You know?
Well, I think in the stories of the Krishna book that Krishna only stole the clothes of the gopis to fulfill their desire to be his wives. Like that.
Because gopis desired that Krishna would be their husband. Isn't it? Yes, that in Krishna book it is said. Gopis desired that Krishna would be their husband. So gopis would be his wives. The wife can be naked only before her husband or before other women. A chaste lady, otherwise her chastity would be polluted. You understand? So gopis were chaste ladies and Krishna was their husband. So this thing happened. This is one sense. But another thing is there. Know it? That is another tattva. Understand? That's another tattva. Therefore these rascals say, if Krishna is your Bhagavan, if you say Krishna is Bhagavan, why Krishna? That Bhagavan is doing such nonsense. So abominable. Why is it doing such abominable act? Why is not a very perfect personality and set up good example, ideal example? Why is not a very strict personality on this love affair or sense affairs? Gratification. Strict personality. Why is it? Is Bhagavan like that? They say so. You understand? But with the Vaishnavas we answer this. No. You rascal, you don't know. Krishna is Bhagavan. And gopis are his devotees, bhakta. You understand? So this is a question of bhakta and Bhagavan. Bhagavan means, as Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Bhaktaram Jagnatapasang Sarvaloka Maheshwaram is only Bhaktara. Is the only enjoyer. Is the supreme enjoyer. Nobody else is enjoyer. You understand? So bhakta means devotees. What is their business? Or the business of the bhakta, devotees. To be enjoyed by Bhagavan. Yes, or to give enjoyment to the Bhagavan. So gopis are bhaktas, devotees, and Krishna is Bhagavan. So he is to enjoy gopis, and gopis' business to give him enjoyment. Thereby gopis will get pleasure and Krishna will get pleasure. If you can be enjoyed by Krishna, then you will get pleasure. Otherwise you can't get pleasure. You understand, Rohari? You want to be enjoyed by him? Then you should put on saris like and make your demand, your appearance looking very nice, beautiful. Then Krishna will enjoy you. Otherwise, with this, Krishna will never look at you. You're nasty looking. This is our outward appearance. Krishna never looks at this outward appearance. He looks into the heart. The Vaishnavas means those are followers of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu are all like gopis. They are enjoyed by Krishna. Gopi bhav, Sakhi bhav. The guru or spiritual master who comes here, comes in the line, display succession of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna, he is a gopi. He is a companion of Radharani. Nikunja yuno ratikeli siddhei jajali bhirjukte rapekhyaniya tatradi dakhyadati vallabhasya bandi guru sri charanaravinda. In Guru Bhastaka, every day we sing. You know its meaning?
That the spiritual master is engaged in serving the gopis to serve Radharani.
Yes. Is Radha Priya Sakhi. Is girl companion of Radharani. You understand? Tatradi dakshya dativallavasya. He is very expert. Daksha means expert. In what matter? In uniting Radha and Krishna in Kunja. Nikunjo yuno rati keli siddhi. In this matter of rati, kam krida. This loving playing. Krida means play, game, love affairs. He is very expert. So his spiritual master, he is gopi. He is one of the gopis. Radha Priya Sakhi, dear girl companion of Radharani. You understand? And we Jiva, Jiva means Jivatma, Jiva Prakriti. You understand? Not Purusha. There is Purusha and Prakriti. You understand? That is mentioned in Srimad Gour Gita. Purusha is Krishna. Purusha means male person. And Prakriti means feminine gender, Stri, woman. So, are you a Purusha or Stri? Prakriti. What are you? Are you male or female? Yes, that's correct. Nori is a female. So put on a sari. Have long hair. Nice. This thing. Put on sari. And now it's Nupur. And then dance before Krishna. And Krishna is very much pleased, you see. Yes, this is our outward appearance, male or female. But as Atma or Jiva, we are Prakriti, feminine. You understand? Therefore, we should be enjoyed by Krishna, is the only Purusha. You understand? This is Tattva. This is Tattva. How to know Tattva, things. That we indeed want to know Him in truth. then we should bow down or offer our respectful obeisance to all such pure confidence devotees of Lord Chaitanya. Otherwise you cannot know him. Chaitanyar madhur lila jar korne Prabeshila Hudaya Nirmala Helokara. We were singing this song of Narottam Das Thakur. The pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is madhu. Madhu means very, very sweet. If one is fortunate enough, he can hear all these pastimes from the lips of a pure devotee, Gaura Bhakta, devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then his heart will be purified. You understand? Otherwise not possible. Therefore, Srila Kaviraj Goswami says this thing. You must bow down to all such pure confidence devotees of Lord Chaitanya if you indeed want to know him in truth. This is the purpose.